Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are unboxing something very exciting. Something that it took me a really long time to save for, but I finally was able to do it. Today we are unboxing an iPhone 11. If you are a current subscriber and watch my videos on a regular, stay tuned at the end for a little life update. But if you're new here and you came here for the unboxing, I'll just go ahead and get right into it. So let me grab the phone. Here it is! Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. I'm gonna take the plastic off. Heck yeah. Put that down there. I'll pick it up later. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I got the 128 gigabyte, you're not gonna be able to see that. I got the 128 gigabyte model and I got it in black because my iPad is black and my MacBook Pro is space gray, so I wanted to continue on with the trend. So let's go ahead and unbox. Bing. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. So, oh, hello. Alright, so this is the phone. I'm coming from a iPhone 8 Plus for reference. Oh my gosh, I love the camera already. Okay, we are gonna go ahead. I also have this case from Amazon that I bought that's pink, so we're gonna go ahead and put the case in, but for now we're gonna unwrap the plastic. Okay, it just... There's only plastic on one side of it? That's very unlike Apple. And we're gonna go ahead and fit the case in it. Okay, so I got the case on and it looks really good. I really like it. It's gonna look so cute. Okay, so now for the rest of the video, or the rest of what's in the box. So we have the Apple paperwork that no one ever reads. Apple stickers, the SIM ejector tool, so I'm gonna need that for my other phone. 2 Apple stickers. I don't know why they haven't come up with black Apple stickers yet. That just doesn't really make sense to me. This is also my first iPhone that I have that has Face ID. So I'm super excited about that because Touch ID, I like it, but it doesn't work very well on my phone. So I'm super excited to be getting that. And then it comes with the 5-watt charger, which we all know no one ever uses. Another lightning cable, which I'm happy to have because I need a new one for my car. So there's that. And that about cover. Well, wait, hold on. Something fell earlier. The lightning cable headphones. I have AirPods, but these are great for when the AirPods are dead. So we are gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, turning it on. There, the Apple logo. Woo! This is so exciting. I also have these JE Tech tempered glass screen protectors. So I'm gonna go ahead and open those too because I'm gonna put a screen protector on this phone immediately. Ooh, okay, swipe up to open this. I'm going to connect to my internet, which I don't even know the password for. This keyboard is so, I've never had anything like this, so this is very strange to me. One thing that I'm not looking forward to is having to transfer all my contacts over. Oh man, I put the case on before I even put the new SIM in. Oh well, that's fine. I just wanted to unbox this. I wonder if I'm gonna have 5G on this phone because I saw someone else who had an iPhone 11 and it seemed like they had 5G and they had Verizon, so I hope I'll have 5G now. Okay, continue. Oh, okay, I'm setting up Face ID now. Okay. First, position your head in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Lovely. Oh, so this is what it looks like compared to the iPhone 8. So this phone is a little bit smaller than the iPhone 8, but the screen real estate is much better. So there's that. Now, one thing I did notice in looking at the pros and cons of each phone is that The iPhone 11 has a much smaller screen resolution, which I don't think I'm going to be able to tell because I can't even tell, to be honest. The only thing I could really tell was between the old MacBook Airs and the MacBook Pro with the screen resolution, but I don't think this is gonna be too much of an issue. So while I'm here, I figured I'd go ahead and do a camera test of the iPhone 8 versus the iPhone 11. So let's go ahead and go outside and do that. Okay, so this is walking into our family room. I'm going out, looking at the dock. The iPhone 11 is definitely brighter for some reason. So the one thing I don't like about this keyboard already, I can already tell I don't like, is the fact that it doesn't fill up the entire screen. Please focus. Focus! Okay, yeah. See how it doesn't fill up the entire screen? I understand that, but it would be nice if it did. But I mean, I understand probably why not. I have a lot to learn about this new phone, but if you're not one of my main subscribers, that is the end of the unboxing. I hope this was helpful, and I hope it kind of gave you a little bit of a non-tech YouTuber insight into just unboxing the phone, just a regular person unboxing the phone. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm really excited about it. I have to make it to my settings and change everything that I want to change on it, but I'm really excited about it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go finish setting up this phone. Returning subscribers, stay tuned for a little life update that's going to be happening in the next clip. So now for the life update. So there's two or three new things happening for me. I am proud to announce that I am the new president of JCA, and I am training with the new president sometime this week probably to figure out everything I need to know before we go forward. Number two exciting thing is that, and if you've been creeping on my website, then you already know this because I've already updated my website. I have been asked to serve as the digital content manager for the Florida Magazine Student Association, which is super exciting. I'm really excited about that and really looking forward to the experience. I went to New York this year with FMSA, so that was a really great opportunity, and I applied for an officer position and, you know, hoping that I could maybe get it, and I did. So I'm really excited about that. I did apply for the agency a couple more times after I initially mentioned it in my vlogs. I did interview. I've interviewed 3 times with them, and I ultimately did not get it, but I felt like maybe there was something out there for me, and then I got elected president of JCA, and then I got this position, so I'm like, you know, it was God saying, don't worry, I've got you, here's something even better, you know. So I'm really excited about it. I'm really pumped. I have applied for internships for the summer. Of course, I haven't heard back from anyone yet, but I mean, it's still early yet, so I could hear something by the end of May, maybe, I don't know. But I start classes next week for summer C semester, so that's exciting. Also, I am planning on I'm gonna try to post more this summer, at least. I'm gonna try to do two videos a week this summer. My posting day now is Saturdays, so just an FYI. When everyone wakes up 9 a.m. I schedule it for 8 a.m., but I might move it to 9 a.m. just in case. But that's the new time. I'm really excited about a lot of videos I have in the works. I've been coming up with a bunch of ideas and really brainstorming and having a lot of fun. Oh, okay, so I don't know if anyone's ever heard of Neopets, but lately I've been playing Neopets. My sister and her friends are all back on it, and they are closer to 30 than 25. So they've all been back on it lately, and I am on it now. So I'm been playing that game. There's actually a mobile app where you can earn Neopoints. Okay, if anyone else nerds out about Neopets, let me know in the comments down below. It's just such a fun game. Like, honestly, does anyone remember those McDonald's Happy Meal toys? Like, they were like weird creatures. They were like, one was like a flotsam that looked like a dolphin a little bit. Like, I don't know. I just remember it was a really good thing, and like that was like the Webkins of my sisters, because my sister is 5 years older than I am, so Neopets was the Webkins of her like age group. Our age group, or at least my age group, 1998 and up, was like Webkins and Club Penguin. And her age group was Neopets and Animal Crossing. So there's that. But yeah, so yeah, you know, yeah, I think that's all the updates I have. Oh, I'm planning on room tours coming soon. What's on my iPhone is coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.